CDK Global is a leading provider of retail technology and SaaS solutions that help upwards of 15,000 dealers and auto manufacturers operate more efficiently. For decades, the sales team would meet with automotive dealerships to evaluate their infrastructure, technology, and equipment needs using a pen and paper discovery process. Then, after each visit, reps log into the VPN and manually input nuanced discussion details information into Salesforce. Recognizing the inefficiency and risks, CDK turned to LaunchPad Lab to help them build an industry-specific discovery application to better support the sales team during the discovery process. After technical conversations and a blueprint workshop, the goals were set for building an intuitive, progressive web application portal for reps to use in the field. Not only would the application streamline the discovery process, but it would also improve the customer experience, expedite quoting, reduce errors, and include a data model that synced seamlessly with Salesforce. The new sales discovery portal would break down the discovery process into 3 key components: deals, departments, and campuses. The Deals page provides a view of all active opportunities, a progress bar indicating the discovery stage, and deal status. From the Wide Area Network page, reps can access a drag-and-drop canvas to design dealership campuses. The type of buildings and the number of campuses prompt the required questions, helping to guide the intake process and ensure that the correct information is collected. Reps can search for dealership by address and generate a satellite view of the campus. Then, they can drag and drop indicators on the map to help the installation team identify key access points. What's more, these indicators come with required questions to ensure that the right information is input. Every opportunity includes an overview screen with the status of campuses and progress. A similar screen is available at the campus level. In addition, summary pages provide deal tallies of equipment and products for sales reps, managers, and executives to easily access. Within each department, a guided question flow helps gather relevant data, with questions that adapt based on previous answers. All of the information captured during the discovery process would flow back into Salesforce CRM simultaneously to update the appropriate records. Since launching the Sales Discovery Portal, training new sales teams has gone from a year to just days. And within months, over 80% of the sales team now is using the portal. As a result, CDK has seen remarkable improvements in efficiency, consistency, and overall customer satisfaction.